What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to Strickland Farms. Today is Thursday. We went to the Expo in Moultrie, Georgia yesterday, had a good time, but now today we're back at it. Fitting to hop in the 6110 with the baler and head down to the field that I cut Monday. So y'all stay tuned. I got my daughter with me today. She's gonna drive my truck, ferry me back and forth to so I can get everything down there. Because Dad's out of his contract working, so it's just me. Stay tuned.
Welcome to Strickland Farms.
All right, YouTube, me and Catherine have got the rake cutter unhooked. Got the rake hooked up. We're raking our first round around the field. Let's turn the camera around and try to do a time-lapse raking because I like time-lapses. The only thing that'd be better is if I had a drone to film this. But it's a little rough. There's not a whole lot of hay out here, but there's more than I originally thought, to tell you the truth. It's doing better than I originally thought, but we'll see. All right, we got the turnaround rows raked up and some more rows raked. So we're fixing to hop in the baler and get after it. So it's not bad. I mean, it ain't a bumper crop, but it'll make a bale to the acre. Sunset. Can you see me? I see your finger. All right, everybody. So it is 6 o'clock. We've got everything raked. We've started back baling. We're up to 11 bales right now. The sun has gone down behind the tree line. I'm borderline on moisture right now. I really hate the fact that I couldn't get finished raking before now. I mean, I'm 14% right now, but I've seen 17% for a couple times. But we're gonna bale as much as we can. Until the moisture shoots up, then we'll have to quit. It's tough when you're by yourself. You don't have somebody raking for you, but everybody's busy right now. It's a busy time of the year. Enterprise High School is playing football tonight, so a lot of people are at that game. My dad's there. My buddy Adam's there, so it's just part of it. It's the fall, it's that time of year. But it's doing pretty good. As far as I mean, 16% moisture right now. The hay is a really good hay for as dry as it's been. So that's it. We're just going back and forth. But we're getting beat up. Did you just hit your head? Pretty sunset.
I'm his unfortunate cameraman that gets left behind. I wonder how many bells are here. Let's go see.
All right, everybody. I did not finish. I lack this windrow all the way to the end of the field, and then those two windrows right there are the full length. But I got some short windrows up there, but the moisture is just too high. Oh, it was 18-19%, and I'm not gonna do that. So that bill right there is gonna be the last one for today. But I got a question for y'all. Why is my baler pushing hay out the front right here? Am I going too fast? I was going 6.7 miles an hour. I don't know if it pushes it. I think it comes up from here. I don't know, but I mean, it's just sitting there. It's not like it's, I don't know. Just curious if y'all know what that is.
Welcome to meet Jeremy Strickland's, aka Strickland Farms, videographer. I'm Catherine Strickland, Jeremy Strickland's daughter, and I'm his videographer normally. Fun facts about me are, I play golf, I have a lot of allergies, I take allergy shots once a week. I still come out here a lot, normally to the hayfields with my dad. And I do love spending time out here with my dad. So, maybe this will make it into a YouTube short or in a YouTube video. If it does, tag my name down below and subscribe to my dad's YouTube channel and see if I should have my own YouTube channel. So, bye.